Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back with day 6. Day 6 of our 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. And we've been sharing what I've been sharing what I've been receiving daily and what I've been sending, and my swap partner has been receiving daily. And so today, day 6, I am just gifting her with some dish towels, and it says, "'Tis the season to be baking." Not sure if she's a baker, but I know I can always use some decorative towels in my kitchen. That's like, yeah. So I just got this little pouch, stuffed it in there, and this will be day 6. Day 6. Like and subscribe. Watch for more videos here and here. And until my next video, shakas!